you'll find me soon. Trapped in the darkness, lost in the night, so far away, out of sight. Discover and release my love somehow. My questions need your answer, give them to me now. Pain inside is way too much, just want to hold you and feel your touch. But you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible. 'Cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning, but you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible. 'Cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning,
What I have here is a VW T25 Caravelle Syncro built in 1988. Van was produced at Bosch factory in Gros, Austria, where all Syncros were built at this time. Working Webasto heater, electrical adjusted rear view mirrors, a rear locker and a power steering. And nothing more here. What is interesting here, it's a 9-seater. On the paperwork it was a 9-seater, but in reality it had only 8 seats. To pass the pits I have to install an extra seat. Front double seat was borrowed from a pickup, and then one thing was left to make frame for the left side of the seat. Tricky thing were the seat belts, as we see here, nothing difficult also.
Trapped in the darkness, lost in the night, so far away, out of sight. Discover and release my love somehow.
Under the hood, 1.9 turbo diesel with mechanical pump. Actually nothing special here.